Regarding PMVIC, ito medyo marami uminit ang ulo. People were a lot of people were taken by surprise and became controversial. Secretary Tugade already asked the PMVIC investors, delay na lang muna. What's your position?
Well, my position is this PMVIC, the Philippine Motor Vehicle Inspection System, has no basis in law and is an illegal exaction to our people. My position is very clear here. There is no law that allows the LTO and the Department of Transportation to contract out and to be able to allow these private entities to exact and get payment for them, not for the government, for them, 1,800 pesos, reinspection of 800. So yun talaga ang nangyari, because I already have reports that were sent to me because I filed a resolution of certain individuals. For example, a BMW owner in Pampanga, Rotary, and in that particular case, he had an inspection. Okay, because required na mayroon ng inspection center in Pampanga. So he went there. Based on the findings, defective ang brake. So hindi binigyan ng certificate of roadworthiness. So he knew that they have no problem with the brake. So he went to the CASA, BMW, found out that there was really none. So he went back and he complained. And so there was a reinspection. Bayad na naman siya ng 800. So 1,008 and then 800. And then, wala naman defect. So in other words, these are, in the operations themselves, may question na. But I am asking the basis and legality, and they cannot produce one during our hearing in the Commission on Transportation. They were citing the Cleaner Act. The Cleaner Act is only about emission. No, nothing about roadworthiness. This is the entire house. Can you imagine a shop that will that will inspect everything? So they should have all these kinds of equipment. And so there is no basis. Therefore, I'm filing a resolution after my resolution investigation to urge the OTC to be able to cancel this program.
Wala ba tayong magagawa to stop this baka makalusot or let's try kung pwede system in programs? Because here, they tried it, and if you remember, the president has been busy putting a stop to all of these attempts na highly irregular or questionable or controversial.
Yes, we laud the president. As of now, it's already said, the president already said through the to the spokesman that this is not mandatory. So therefore, you don't have to go there. And that is what is the order of the president. And I laud the president exactly for doing that. But formally, we should now disengage. You know what? This is not only illegal. This is also what we call in violation of the rules of the NEDA on the ICC. It violates government regulations because, according to the rules of the Interagency Coordinating Committee, ICC, which approves, that is the NEDA body of the composite group, that will approve investments. Now, those over 2.5 billion, when the investment is over 2.5 billion, it has to be approved by NEDA because it has to be taken into consideration on its impact on the economy. Now, this is a program, according to our computation of Chairman Egay Sarmiento of the Committee on Transportation. The total investments here with about 138 to be given this authority to open these centers, these inspection centers, will be 8 to 9 billion. So that is an investment, a total investment of 8 to 9 billion. The DOTR and the LTO did not submit this project to the NEDA ICC in violation of these rules that over 2.5 billion, they should be approved because they have to get an evaluation from our National Economic Development Authority. So many questions ito. So that is why what should be done now by the DOTR, the president has said already, hindi na mandatory. So let us forgo with this program.
Okay.
And we will not, there's no basis for this. And let us not burden. Imagine, there are 12 million vehicles in our country. About 7 million are private vehicles, which are the target of these centers. And 7 7 to 8 million. Can you imagine that paying 1,800 excluding the re-examination and retest? My goodness, this will be a bonanza to all of these PIIC owners. There is nothing other. There's no other purpose here but to give unwarranted benefits to these businessmen.